Built with 5G connectivity and great features at a great value, the new OnePlus Nord N300 5G features a smooth 90Hz display, dual camera system, an included 33-watt fast charger, and a big battery. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Hey there, it's Des with Metro by T-Mobile, and today my friend Anthony from Retail and I are unboxing the latest smartphone from OnePlus, the OnePlus Nord N300 5G. The N300 5G comes with a large 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. 90Hz will deliver a fast and smooth viewing experience. You'll snap great shots with the N300 5G's 48-megapixel main camera and cool portraits with the assistance of the 2-megapixel depth camera. Then take crisp selfies with the 16-megapixel front-facing camera. The Nord N300 5G stays powered with a 5,000 mAh battery and charges with the USB-C cable and the included 33-watt SuperVOOC charger. A charger and a fast charger at that inside the box. And this fun little port right here, you may remember it as a 3.5mm headphone jack for you to plug in your favorite pair of headphones. Internally, the Nord 300 comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of built-in storage. And it has a microSD card slot that lets you expand your memory even further. And the OnePlus Nord N300 5G runs Android 12 right out of the box. Now inside the box, we've got the Quick Start Guide, OnePlus Nord N300 5G, USB-C charging cable, and that 33-watt SuperVOOC fast charger. Built with 5G connectivity and great features at a great value. The new OnePlus Nord N300 5G features a smooth 90Hz display, dual camera system, an included 33-watt fast charger, and a big battery. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can get your hands on the new OnePlus Nord N300 5G at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.